Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I'm going to show you how to use ChatGPT in an easy way. So first of all, like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you can get all information at once. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT. ChatGPT is the most popular app all around the world that gather information to you in a few seconds. So for this, go to your app store and search ChatGPT. Here on a screen, this is a ChatGPT, original ChatGPT. You have to download in your mobile phones. I have already downloaded, so let's open it. Here you can see on the top bar, sign up. You have to sign up with your Apple ID or Google or anything, Gmail, email, whatever you want to sign in. After that, after signing in, you can see a new page appear which says whatever you want to know, you can ask ChatGPT easily. It give you answers in a few seconds. So here I'm going to ask him a questions. As you can see on a screen, I'm asking what day is today. So in a few seconds, in a 1 second, the answer is given to me. Today is Monday, April 8, 2025. So hope so you enjoy this video, like the video and subscribe the channel. This is the easiest way to get any information from all over the world. So next question is, can I get any information? Like I ask him, can I get every type of information? ChatGPT say yes, we can get all any type of information. You can ask any question, study related, life related, job related, interview related, anything. ChatGPT can provide you all type of question answers. So this is the easiest way you can use ChatGPT as your answer to the questions. This is very easy to use ChatGPT. Hope so you enjoy this video and like the video. Don't forget to subscribe the channel, hit the bell icon, and see you in the next video. Thank you so much for watching the video. And comment below if you learned from this video. Thank you so much.